Effie. Welcome to my channel. It's time for One Wonderful Word with Effie. That's me. Today's word is Wabbit. No, you silly rabbit. Wabbit, not rabbit. That's right. Wabbit. Today, I'm going to tell you what wabbit means, where the word wabbit comes from, and how to use wabbit in a sentence. Ready? Let's go! Have you ever been super tired or felt uber worn out or exhausted? Like you just didn't have any energy at all? That means that you were wabbit. The word wabbit means exhausted, tired, played out, feeble, and without energy. So someone may feel wabbit after exerting a lot of energy. This can be physical energy, like playing all day, or gardening, or swimming, or house cleaning. Or mental energy. That's right, you can be mentally exhausted. So you may feel wabbit after studying super hard or trying to solve a super challenging problem. Some people even feel wabbit after long travel times on a plane, or in a car, or on a train, even when they're not the ones driving. Let's learn more about the word wabbit. The word wabbit originated, that means that it began, in Scotland. Scotland is a country that is part of the United Kingdom, located on the island that makes up Great Britain. People who live in Scotland speak English, Scots, and Scottish Gaelic. If you use the word wabbit in a sentence, you might say, I helped pull the weeds from the garden, and now I'm a bit wabbit. While pulling the weeds from the garden, you exerted physical energy, and that made you tired. It made you wabbit. So let's say wabbit together. First, we're going to say wabbit one time slowly. Wabbit. That was good. Let's say it again. This time, we're going to say wabbit 2 times slowly. Wabbit. Wabbit. Very good. Let's try a little bit faster. We are going to say wabbit 3 times a little bit faster. Ready? Let's do it. Wabbit, wabbit, wabbit. Excellent! Let's say it even faster. We are going to say wabbit super fast 9 times. Can you do it? Of course you can. Ready? Let's go! Wabbit, 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 wabbit. Pretty good. That was so good. I think you can go even faster. We are going to say wabbit, which means exhausted or without energy, with a lot of energy. We are going to say wabbit as fast as we can. 18 times. Are you ready? Let's go. Wabbit, 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 wabbit. Wow, you are amazing. You just learned a new word and you said it super fast. You learned the word wabbit, which means exhausted or without energy. like I was after saying Wabbit so fast so many times. I had so much fun learning with you today, and you can keep learning. Tell your parents to go to thebighairbook.com and download free activity sheets, including your gift from me, the Big Hair Coloring and Activity Book. And be sure to use your new word, Wabbit, in a sentence. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. You are so awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy learning.